Hi, this is Shining here at the LA Belly Dance Academy to share a little combo with you. I'd like you to think of this as a skeleton or a foundation on which to build more musicality. So I'll give you the pieces and an order, but feel free to add more repetitions, to change the tempo as you need in order to be more musical. So let's break down the fundamental pieces and then we'll look at that with music in a minute. We're going to start going to the right with horizontal hip circles. So making flat circles on the tabletop. We'll go 1, 2, and then step out with a 3-step turn and fall into that right hip. So that last step, you have to push the weight over for figure eights. These figure eights are not the kind where you keep your head in the center and isolate the hips. I would like you to keep the head and hip together in column and shift, letting that shoulder blade take you around. That shoulder blade and the back of the hip are working together. All right, and then we're going to shift our weight and have a moment to lift that foot off of the ground and roll onto it with undulations, pulling that tailbone down before opening the leg into the next position. Right, so you have this momentary sit, 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 sit. If you want more complex arms with that, you can scoop with the leg as it opens, or you can sort of drag that shoulder and that arm back and step away from that arm. Right, two options. You can go out, 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 or drag, 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 as you like. Then you're going to pull your legs together, plant both feet on the ground, and bend the knees just a little bit so we have enough room to start doing pelvic tucks. Lift, lift. Each pubic bone is going to go towards the corner. Each pubic bone. We only have one pubic bone. Your pubic bone is going to go to each corner. Up, up. So it's really your body changing angles as that pubic bone lifts towards the belly button. Pop, 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 pop. And then you're going to pause and you're going to go down. Down, down, down to each corner. Down, 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 down. And keep doing that with a plie. Down, 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 down. One more time. Down, 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 down. Rise. Keep doing pelvic tilts. Down. Then we're going to repeat the whole thing on the left side. Circle, circle, 3-step turn, fall into that figure eight. You can move the arms in and out, palms up and down if you want to do something with your arms here. Otherwise, just keep them out to the sides. If you want a little more complex, you can sweep across the body. Sweep, sweep. Really making sure to lead from the back of that hand as you come up. Sweep, sweep. And then the same thing like we did on the other side. When we have that perfect moment of shifting the weight so that our left leg is free, we're going to step out towards that corner. Undulations, undulations. Same concept, right? Depending on what's happening in the music, you may want to switch your arms. You may want to do different things depending on the mood of the music. Okay? We're going to pull the legs together. Prepare by pulling that tailbone down. Tuck, 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 tuck. Sharp, 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 sharp. And then pause down, 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 down. Ideally, it would be nice for you to stay up and do a few of these and then plie and rise. But it will depend on what's happening in the music. So let's see an example.
عايز غيرك عليك مصمم، عودك جمالك كل اللي فيك يتحاب، دمك خفيف وضحكتك شاربة زي العسل روحك يا حلوية، عشان حبك محتاج لمليون قلب، عشان حبك محتاج لمليون